Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We have some more vocabulary for week 3. We only have 4 words this week, but they are a little more challenging, so make sure you're listening closely. Our first word this week is identified. If you identified something, you proved that you recognized it. Jim identified his backpack in the pile. Think about what information you would need to identify a missing item. Our next word is enterprising. If you are enterprising, you are full of ideas and willing to try things. Shauna is an enterprising newspaper carrier. Someone who is enterprising might start their own business. Next word is persistence. People who have persistence keep trying even when they encounter problems. It is important to have persistence when learning to play a musical instrument. Think about a time when you showed persistence. And our last word is venture. A venture is a project that involves some risk-taking. Our venture into bread making business had many challenges. Think about a time when you have undertaken a venture with your friends and how that went for you. You will notice this week that I changed the slides a little bit to make them a little quicker for you. So please fill those out, and when they are complete, you can try writing a story using these 4 words. Have a great week.